barn. Try to come out to play it a little bit more. Mother Nature's got other choices. Raining just enough to make it miserable. But hey, I'll enjoy my morning coffee watching this. With a little sprinkled on. Yeah. Should have stayed home. Good stop. Tell you what, if it wasn't for the fact that it's summertime, this rain actually feels good. I'd be mad, but I'm not. It feels good. On to the next stop. Almost there. Beautiful morning though. Whew. That was a long ride. But I do want to see one thing. I got this guitar case off of Amazon and says that it's supposed to be waterproof. Let's take a look-see and see how we did. Got the bottom here. Let's see. Mind you, she is a little dirty, but yeah, you're not too waterproof, buddy. But I will say, the ad does say light rain resistant, so keep that in note.